In today's video, I'm going to discuss 6 ways in which you can grow your hair, minimize your hair shedding, your hair loss, your hair thinning, or whatever it is. Girl, I got you.
Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome to another video. I'm a little spicy today, okay? I wrote down 6 ways in which I grow my hair and how I minimize my hair shedding, my hair loss. Tip number 1. Every hair growth video that you see on YouTube is going to tell you this, but it's true. I can attest to this. Regular trims is a must. If not every month, every second month, every third month. I think I should just take them off. I trimmed my hair in my hair transformation video. That was a month ago, and yesterday I trimmed my hair again. I wasn't going to trim it, but because I dyed my hair again, whenever I dye my hair, it's like a must for me to trim my hair because I don't know, it's just makes sense to me. Don't get me wrong, I don't dye my hair every month, even though the last time I dyed my hair was a month ago and I just did it again. The hair dye I used in that video wasn't the hair dye I typically use, but it was the hair dye I could afford at that time. You know what, let's just take this dye. Normally I trim my hair every second month. It basically grew back. I grew those inches. It was like this much that I got last month, and it basically grew back. But of course right now my hair is trimmed, so you can't really see. Okay, so that is tip number 1. Regular trims are a must. Tip number 2 is to do regular head massages with a oil. So the oil that I use is this beautiful black castor oil from Tropic Isle. I think that's what it is, Tropic Isle. It also has lavender in, so it smells good as well. Normally I do this every day for like 10 minutes, so I'll put a timer on my cell phone, light to my tips, and then massage my hair. I would highly recommend using Jamaican black castor oil. It is on the pricier side, but personally I don't like coconut oil on my hair. It dries my hair out. It also dries my skin out. This is amazing. And tip number 3 is consuming a multivitamin every day. Muy importante. This is the multivitamin that I take every day. It's Tony Ferguson, and it's a slow release. Tip number 4, I think this is what ultimately minimize my hair shedding. Typically I would detangle my hair when it's wet. Okay, so say today's Friday. Okay, I wash my hair, I detangle it, I style it. Then for the rest of the week I don't detangle my hair, and then the next Friday I wash, style, detangle, the whole process. Throughout that week, before detangling my hair again, I just do one of my go-to hairstyles, as you've seen in my go-to hairstyle video. So for the rest of the week I don't detangle my hair until my next wash routine, and it takes about 1 minute to detangle my hair. The amount of hair I lose when I detangle my hair wet is insane. About a month ago I decided, you know what, let me try detangling my hair when it's dry. So the first time I tried this, it took about 1.5 hours to detangle my hair. Trying to comb out my roots was the worst, but the amount of hair I lost was so little compared to when I detangle my hair wet. That was it for me. I was like, you know what, we're just gonna have to suffer for beauty. Because I waited a week before I would detangle my hair, that is why it was so painful, because by this time my hair was like super matted. So what I do now is, let's say again it's Friday, I wash my hair, I style it. Then I have my curls for like the weekend, and then on Monday I would detangle my hair again. And because it's only been like 2 days since I last detangled it, it isn't as matted, so it's not as painful. So basically every second day I would detangle my hair, I would comb through it, add my oil. Oh, that was painful. Then tip number 5, I don't know if you've seen my curly rant video. Please go check that video out. I did like a little skit at the beginning of that video. So the point is, that video I discovered protein was one of the main reasons why my hair was thinning out, why I was losing hair, because I was drenching my hair with protein. All my products had protein: my shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, styler, gel. And when I discovered this information, I stayed away from protein. Well, not completely, because your hair needs protein, but right now 90% of the time I'm focusing on hair moisture instead of strengthening my hair. So that is tip number 5. Use protein products once a month only. Drum roll. Last but not least, we have tip number 6. This one, everyone talks about it. Satin bonnets. Every curly girl out there recommends that you use a satin bonnet when sleeping at night to protect your hair, because if you lay your head on your pillow, that cotton will basically rip out your hair. Tip number 6, sleep with a bonnet. About another one, tip number 7, stay away from heat. Okay, minimize the amount of heat you apply to your head. Use a heat protectant. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is the final tip for today. And remember, it's all a journey. There's no miracle oil that's gonna have your hair growing 2 inches overnight. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.
I just can't stop thinking about